Wait.
Oh, it's like
Okay.
it's now like seasoned with fish on top. Now.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah.
Little breadcrumbs.
I think I actually like the fish fingers better with the custard.
It'd be better with ketchup. But
Careful, they
Yeah.
do break.
Okay.
The trash
Nope.
cans.
Not the most pleasant face.
No. I kind of kept aside.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta go back
It's like,
again.
it's not good, but yet I want more of it.
Yeah, exactly.
the flavors don't mix.
Exactly. Thank you. That's exactly what it is.
Maybe it's like a sweet
it lands
salt
in different
thing.
parts of your tongue,
Yeah,
so
because, like,
nary the two
This
shall
part
meet.
likes it.
Yeah, you
This
get
part
good
likes
custard.
it.
Oh,
They
good
like
fish,
it.
and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
You guys
Come
right,
on,
it's not bad.
it kind of works.
Here's
Otherwise,
our
you're just the wuss of the group, right?
smorgasbord of Doctor Who.
Come on.
Oh,
So
let me ask you this:
much
Do you like the
Dr.
flavors
Who.
separately?
Yes.
Then
Well,
you
You'll be
then,
fine.
You'll be
yeah,
fine, honey. It's
it's
not
not
bad.
a- it's not a
It's
thing.
not disgusting.